want to do this anymore. We just stopped and focused on something else. And I think if anyone here is making stuff and you're starting to do it, but you don't feel it anymore, it's super fire to just stop. Like, I don't want to do this anymore, and that's okay, and just go do something else, because you're not married to it. In the literal sense, but also like you don't have to be married to ideas because it's there. It's like put it to the side. So
alright, salut mes amis, my name's Earthtone, and I don't really have anything prepared for this video. It's 1 in the morning right now. I just wanted to get on here and be as raw and as transparent as possible to all the established producers, upcoming producers, new producers, somewhere in the middle. I just want to be as transparent as possible. And I've been doing this for almost 5 years. In October of this year, it'll be 5 years since I've been producing music. So I know a lot of producers out there, you guys are still working a 9-to-5 and you really want to make music your full-time thing. And I realize how hard that can be, especially when you're just starting out. But don't rush the process. It's really important to take the time to really perfect your craft and be sure that this is something you want to do, because a lot of y'all are young, y'all are just figuring things out, and I recommend you try everything before just sticking to one thing. Because I can't make up my mind what I want to spend the most time on. Like, I recently quit my job back in November of last year so that I can really focus on my craft, my music, my art, photography, all those things. Years ago, when I first started producing, I thought all I wanted to do was produce. But I'm learning so much about myself now, and I want to do everything. Like, I want to fashion design, I want to be a photographer, all of those things, producer, content creator, and eventually on my own, like, company one day. I mean, I do have a company now, but I'm talking about really scale it up to something massive. I just feel like don't be scared to try new things. Don't be scared to try new sounds in your music. Don't be scared to take risk. Just try everything. Because the way you become valuable in the world is not by your physical appearances. It's about your knowledge. And the more you know, the more you're valuable to other people, to a company, to a job, or whatever. Even to yourself. So knowing as many things as you possibly can is great development for anyone, because I just refuse to put myself in a box. I don't want to be known for one thing. All I know is I want to grow old and leave a legacy behind, and I want to be remembered for something. I want to be remembered for just how creative I am, because I'm a very creative person and I want the world to be able to see that. So yeah, I decided to quit my job months ago. Now I've been like going really hard on my art, my craft, trying to grow this company. Like I said, this is raw. It's 1 in the morning. I don't have anything prepared. I usually like to write down notes and script my videos before I record them, but this is like raw. I just want to get in here and be as raw and transparent as possible with y'all. So with me quitting my job, I've been able to use all my time for me, and with that I've rewarded myself the luxury of becoming self-employed. So photography is now a part of my income, music as well. I sell beats pretty consistently, not as consistent as I want, but it's enough for me to be able to make a living and still have enough money to enjoy life for a little. And the goal is to scale that. And I just want to say, mindset is everything, because we live in a world where nothing is really impossible. And it might feel like that in the moment. You might feel depressed or doubting yourself in the moment, but once you really put in the work and you start to see your labor like pay off, you realize anything is really possible when you have that mindset. Because me, I grew up poor, but I never really felt poor. It's like technically I was in poverty, I guess you could say, but I never really felt that. I've always just felt just regular. Like, I never let my situation define me. I've always known that I would grow up to be successful. I didn't know exactly how I was going to get there or what I was going to do, but I always just felt that I would be something, that I would be financially well off, I would be successful or whatever. Like, you have to fully believe that there is nothing in this life that you cannot achieve, because in reality, there's nothing in life you can't achieve. It's like, it sounds like a myth, but it's true. It's just put in the work. And don't be scared to put yourself out there, because I grew up really like awkward and very introverted, and I never really put myself out there. I never really had friends or anything like that. So it's like, me doing this now is even a huge step for me. Like, I've come such a long way. And to all my artists, a lot of artists and creators out there, I know are like very introverted, but I just want to say, don't be scared to put yourself out there. Nobody really thinks about how you look, how you sound, how you dress. It's all about how you are on the inside. So put yourself out there, because you never know who will find you. You can be walking down the street, and next thing you know, that's the love of your life, or that's your next multi-million-dollar business partner. Or your next boss could be sitting on a train, you sit next to him, you spark a conversation, now you're working your dream job. Just don't be scared to network and put yourself out there, because that's the main key, or that's one of the main components to really gaining true success. All my artists and creators out there, I hope this video finds you all well. I'm working on building a community. That's why I'm doing this now. So with that, I've made a Discord, and I just want to say, please join the Discord. And right now I'm doing an Amazon gift card giveaway for whoever joins the Discord. I'll pick at random by March 1st. So yeah, join the Discord by March 1st and you might get a chance to get an Amazon gift card. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, because again, I'm trying to build a community here, and I just want all artists and creatives in my community to just really gain something from it. Like, find your next partner, your next collab. I just really want to build a community here. So thanks for watching. Hopes this finds y'all well. Join the Discord. Salute.